Chinook Services premium roof cleaning service for asphalt shingled roofs, the most common in the greater Seattle area roof type. We start by blowing the roof with the worker using fall protection and tethered and blowing loose debris clear from the roof top. We then clean the gutters and downspouts by hand. We never blow gutters out. You don't want all that mud and muck getting all over your siding, garden beds, and lawns. To finish the gutter cleaning process, we flush out all the gutter internals, including the downspouts, and we test them for proper flow, so when it rains, we know they're going to drain. Application of soft wash solution using truck-mounted equipment to instantly kill all moss with a 100% kill rate. The moss will turn white and become a tissue-like consistency. The moss will then dissolve and fall off over time with subsequent rains and weather. Typically, the process takes 30 to 90 days. The service comes with a 5-year no new moss warranty. If any new green moss comes back, we will come and respray at no charge. Followed by our final step, which is a complete grounds cleanup to remove any debris that fell off the roof during the service. It is very important to note that we follow your roof manufacturer's strict instructions for moss removal, along with the American Asphalt Roofing Association's strict guidelines. Many companies out there in our area do not follow these rules and use aggressive methods such as brushing, scraping, or pressure washing roofs. This will void your warranty and takes years and years from your roof's expected lifetime. Chinook Services has over 20 years of experience, and our service is safe for your roof and designed to make your roof last as it is designed, typically rated for an expected 30, 40, or 50-year lifetime before replacement. Thank you for watching our premium roof cleaning information video. Please contact our office for more information.